5, sorry, we started off with under, we have turn, handshake, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, into our first whip, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Couple of things here, 1, 2, leads the palm is slightly
on 2, not on 1, we don't want to lead your
I'll be on the wrong
early.
foot.
You got the wrong foot, so 1 is straight, 2, we throw away the hand and the frisbee to the ground, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our feet are just stop out.
Follows, instead of going this way on a whip, it's a reverse whip, so I'm going 1, 2, back together, forward, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Leads have just with footwork.
Yep.
We then did a push break. Got into the opposite hand hold. Released the follows right, leads left. We let her down the left side.
1, 2, 3. Good, 3. Bring her bounce at 4. Triple step. Walk, walk, triple step.
That ends up being a 10 count. We'll do speed.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Couple things here. A lot of the leads, we're keep leaning it down.
We don't want it down that way. We want it cut off in front of me.
Also, some of the cutoffs were happening. This is my radius, so think out.
Always big circle.
So it's comfortable for her.
Yep, always think about the comfort.
So 1, 2, stopping. A lot of leads were extending.
I don't want a straight arm here. I want to keep
Stop.
it tight here.
So I can match, and I keep tone so I can match opposite. Bounce.
Bounce up.
Leads, you're not going to wait your 4. 4, now you wait 5 and 6. 1, 2, dun, dun, dun. From there, we did a duck, picking up
Left hand.
right above the arm. 1, 2, 3. Same exit. 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. A lot of these are going for elbows. Really doesn't lead duck very well.
It doesn't matter to the move. It doesn't look as cool. So underneath, lift up.
Up.
On her tricep.
Follows.
Create the window.
Just up the head down.
Create the window.
Same bounce. A lot of these were, when they got 2 hands, they were following through. Don't
Keep this
stop.
keep this tight. Never want to straight. Keep it so you can bounce off it.
So that one is speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple step. Walk, walk, and 3. That was it.
Awesome.
We'll add on more. Oh, poor Tom. He wants 2 hands. 2 hands. We did 1, 2, 3. Same exact exit. 4. Triple step. So a couple things here. This is going to the pit.
Not to the arm. The same thing as we were doing, except we have to get it.
So it's just coming through. You can release. And then same thing.
And then the other one we were going to duck, we'll talk about this next time.
Next week, next.
Next time we'll just.
And we got a couple other variations on this too.
Did it? Duck, through,